Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a fabulous car these are. This is a Seat Leon 1.4 TSI FR technology. Great spec on these cars. Fabulous to drive, 150 brake horsepower. Finished in Nevada white metallic. Let's take you all the way around it. They really are very well spec cars. Great fun to drive. Basically a Golf in disguise and a lot cheaper than a Golf. Parking sensors. Great size boot on it. Huge actually. Split folding rear seats. Nice and clean in there, not being abused. Loading area all nice and good. All the bodywork is absolutely beautiful all the way around. Two owner vehicle. No nasty dents or scratches or scrapes down the side. All the wheels are in great condition. No damaging or curbing on those. Quite a few factory fitted options on this vehicle as well, so it's not just a standard FR. Half darkened rear windows at the back. It's got this great sports upholstery, part leather, part cloth. Plenty of legroom in there, loads of space. Electric rear windows. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors too. All the seats in great condition. Centre armrest. Great stereo system on it. Media, phone connection. It's even got a voice connection as well. So you can navigate with your voice. If you want navigation or radio, just shout at it and it'll go to there. Navigation, traffic, Bluetooth connection, climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox. Mileage of just 53,629. Cruise control, and this fabulous flat bottom sports steering wheel, multifunctional with various controls for stereo, onboard computer, all nicely easy controlled from there. They really are great value for money. Family car with a bit of performance. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Talk to us about your finance before talking to anybody else. You can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. We can arrange home delivery if you so wish. Ask us for further details. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again. Any further information, please just give us a call on 01782 822 700. Specialist Car Stoke, multi-award winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. The phone number again, 01782 822 700 if you want to know any more about our beautiful Seat Leon. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.